yellow chicken. So this pot is under the foil. If we put a lot of salt, and on the inside there we put cutted leaf, lemongrass, onion, yeah, and now we're going to put yellow chicken inside there, and we're going to bake, put on the stove. Yeah, this is yellow chicken. So yellow chicken, you put the herb, everything, and you massage them. Yeah, you good massage. Yeah, see, put yellow chicken inside there, and then you cover the lid, put the lid cover, and you put on the stove. Yeah, for how long on the stove? 20 minutes to half hour.
15 minutes.
50 minutes. Okay, 50 minutes. Around 50 minutes. Yeah, and the chicken cook very, when cooked, is the meat very juicy. Yeah, this is yellow chicken or free range. Yeah, this one. And we put some peppermints, Thai peppermints inside there. So when you cook it, all the herbs come together: peppermint, onion, lemongrass, cutting lamb leaf, cutting lamb leaf, and we put more peppermint, Thai peppermint on the top more. Yeah, okay, and more lemongrass and cutting leaf. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So this is how to cook, to bake perfect free range chicken. It's yellow skin. Nhiều cô bông của nó nếu như chấm hỏi món á, mà chấm hỏi mà nó người ta đứt nước non chín nắng các bạn, bông của chơi mà sầm đẹp tí á, nó món bò lươn các bạn bông cuốn. Sầm đẹp tí. Hộp những này bật những cái mà nhiều cầm rọp tới đặt lên chiếc ràn mà hạt mệt tí bà nhé, đặt lên chiếc ràn, you put on the stove, turn the stove, yeah, for 15 minutes, yeah, cook very yummy. Okay, thank you.